Welcome back to the rusty mill. I couldn't resist trying out the new saw. Well, not new saw, but the rehammered saw. So we tossed a little toothpick of a log on today, cut a couple pieces off of it. We still can't really get to anything until all this snow is gone. Ice and wet, mud, all that fun stuff. But I just carried this one in on my shoulder. It's not as nearly as light as you'd think. But no, the saw ran good. Seemed to hum right along. Wasn't really kicking much sawdust off the back like it was before. And I don't know, that's probably mostly due to the lead being way off before. But no, it came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it at all. I mean, it seemed to stand up pretty straight. Like I said, it cut nice. The board seemed pretty even the whole way down. So as soon as this snow's gone, hopefully we'll be back in business with cutting. I think for that garage build, we're looking at something like 150 rafters. So it's going to be a lot of boards. I got to go down there, and you know, that pile's not nearly big enough. But yeah, I guess stay tuned. We'll see. The snow's out here next week, and we might be doing some real cutting.